Is your Ninja Espresso dripping when it shouldn't? Or not dripping at all? If the drip stop feature isn't working correctly, here's how to get it moving again. Step 1. Make sure the brew basket is seated properly. Remove and reinstall the basket or pod holder. If it's not aligned, the drip stop arm may not engage or release correctly. Step 2. Clean around the drip stop valve area. Old grounds or coffee residue can block the mechanism. Remove the basket and gently wipe around the valve area with a damp cloth. Step 3. Rinse the pod holder or ground coffee basket thoroughly. Use warm water to flush any stuck grounds that could be jamming the internal valve. Step 4. Run a water-only brew cycle. This helps test the flow and resets the internal mechanics. Make sure no coffee is loaded. You're just checking for normal drip and shutoff behavior. Step 5. Descale if the problem persists. Mineral buildup inside the brewing chamber can interfere with the pressure and drip stop control. If cleaning doesn't help, it might be time for a full descale. Still not working right? You may have a worn-out seal or internal valve issue. Support link is in the description if you need help with repairs or parts. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your coffee.